Welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about Lioness Season 3, and there are some major updates that fans won't want to miss. After months of speculation, Paramount Plus has officially confirmed that Lioness Season 3 will premiere on August 2nd, 2026. The hit Taylor Sheridan spy thriller is returning with Zoe Saldana, Nicole Kidman, Michael Kelly, Morgan Freeman, and several fan-favorite cast members. According to the first teaser and official synopsis, Season 3 will feature the most personal and dangerous mission yet for the Lioness team. Joe McNamara finds herself facing hidden enemies, international threats, and betrayals that could put both her mission and her family at risk. As mysterious networks begin operating in the shadows, Joe will have to make impossible decisions while trying to protect the people she loves. One of the biggest storylines this season appears to focus on Joe's personal life. The trailer suggests that the danger may finally reach much closer to home, creating serious consequences for her family. Meanwhile, Caitlin Mead and Westfield continue working behind the scenes as the CIA attempts to uncover a growing conspiracy that stretches across multiple countries. Fans can also expect plenty of action. The teaser is packed with explosions, tactical operations, intense shootouts, and high-stakes undercover missions. However, the emotional cost of the job seems to be just as important this season, with Joe struggling to balance duty, loyalty, and survival. As for new characters, Season 3 will introduce additional military and intelligence operatives who could become either valuable allies or dangerous enemies. The official details remain secret, but the show is clearly setting up a larger and more complex conflict than anything we've seen before. With a new mission, returning cast members, bigger action sequences, and what may be the most emotional chapter of the series so far, Lioness Season 3 is shaping up to be one of the biggest television events of the year. Are you excited for Lioness Season 3? Let me know your predictions in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Lioness updates.